Hey guys, Trav from Australian Car Audio. Today we've got this lovely absolute beast of a four-wheel drive. It's Nissan Navara, an MP300. This is actually the personal vehicle of Mick from the 4x4 brothers. He came and saw us at the International 4x4 show and was complaining of noise and a lot of drone coming from his big exhaust and big tyres. So we sat down and had a bit of a chat, and today we're going to sand deaden the back wall on this thing with our ultimate Roadkill, which is a combination product of closed cell foam on a butyl rubber back foil line product. So let's get into it. So today's goal is to get this seat out, and we're going to sand in the back wall back here. Now Mick has informed us that he's got a subwoofer and sub box already installed, so that's going to throw a curveball at us, but I'm sure we can get around that. Alright, so first step here now, it's all apart, is going to be to clean. You can see we've got plenty of dust here, and the problem with that is the self-adhesive nature of the product won't actually stick, it'll stick to the dust, and then it'll fall off, rendering what we're doing null and void. So I've just got some wax and grease remover here, but most white spirits will do the job. Methylated spirit, wax and grease remover, maybe some Prepsol or thinners, but we've got this, so this is what I'm using. Alright guys, now we've got the car clean, we've got it apart. The next step's going to be applying the product. Today we've chosen to use the Ultimate, which as you can see here, it's a dual layer product. It's a closed cell foam, waterproof on the top here with a foil layer separating it from the adhesive butyl rubber. The reason we're going with that is we don't have huge amounts of space in behind that tree, and if we use a regular layer of Roadkill and then our Overkill product over the top, it's probably going to be a little thick to get the carpet back in and looking nice and snug and keeping that OEM fit. So we've chosen to go with this, which is a hybrid product, and it comes in a nice small pack. This is 0.8 metres, which will be more than enough to get the coverage we need behind this back seat. Alright, we're back. You can see here now we've cut all our pieces, we've measured and cut. Do the old measure twice, cut once. So everything's in situ. We'll pop that down now and we'll apply it and give it a nice firm roll. Alright, we've got it all rolled out. We've got it sticking up there nice and solid. It's definitely made a difference to the resonant frequency of the panel. Now we've just got to go back and put it all back together, which is basically just the opposite of pulling it apart. Now you can see we're all back together, seat belts are in, pulled through the base, everything looks like it should and doesn't seem like we've been in there at all, but we definitely have. We've made a big difference, and I'm sure Mick will enjoy his touring around Australia from now on.
Just got the nav back from Trav and the guys at Stinger Australia. They've just installed some Roadkill sound deadening in the back of this thing. Wow, what a massive improvement. The tyre noise that I used to get, the droning from the exhaust, the wind noise from the tent, you name it. It was horrendous. Since putting the train canopy on the back as well, the amount of noise that came through the back wall Yeah, it's definitely helped it. And if you're thinking about putting sound deadening in your vehicle, I'd highly recommend Stinger Australia Roadkill. Lives up to its name, kills the road noise. So whether it's DIY or someone doing it professionally, I hope you've got some tips and tricks on how to install it in your car.
So here we are, we've wrapped up the job. We've taken Mick's absolute beast of a cruiser and turned it into a luxury cruiser. So guys, with something as simple as one little box of roadkill, a little bit of your time, you too can make a massive difference to your car. That about wraps it up. Now for all you guys that have liked this video, please give it a like, give a subscription, jump on board and follow us for more educational videos, maybe a bit of fun and more new products and cool rides.